In this video, I'm going to talk about blog commenting for traffic. And so with blog commenting, you're going to go out to relevant blogs and actually make comments on them. And in exchange, you may get a backlink and you're going to have exposure on a targeted and relevant page. This method only really works successfully if you're doing two things. If you're posting manually and if you're posting quality comments, and then of course if it's posted on a site that's related to your niche, then you're going to get the benefit of the doubt there. So if you're promoting Amazon physical products, and let's say, like our example, we're doing the Roku product, and let's say you have a little website set up for that, then you would make comments related to that particular niche. You would go on to technology blogs, you would go on to entertainment blogs, blogs that talk about technology and things like that. In this example, we're promoting a golf ClickBank product. So I'm going to look for golf blogs and that I can make comments on and leave a comment with my link and leave a very relevant comment. So what I'm going to do for this method is go to Google and do Google and then do the phrase blog search. So Google blog search. So here is Google Blog Search. It pulls it up. Commenting is an old method for traffic generation. It's still very viable. Again, it's another way to get backlinks and to get exposure on targeted sites and get long-term exposure as well. But Google Blog Search is great because it'll help you find fresh blog posts that you can leave a comment on and be one of the first, so that people, when they're going through there, may casually check out your website. And there's a way to do it so that it's completely ethical, so you're adding value to the community, and that's what it's all about. So we're going to go to Google Blog Search and do a search for, let's say, golf swing, because we're learning about, helping people with their golf swing. So let's go here, perfectgolfswingtips.net. That's a blog post that came up. So let me just show you. I did a search for Google Blog Search. We're using Google's blog search, and it's going to bring up this blog's homepage. And you'll see it is a WordPress website. And what I'm going to do here is click on this. So discover the 7 steps to the perfect golf swing. And let's see here. This is the page we've got here. Looks like it's a good blog review. Let's see. Recent art blog post. Why is my golf swing going wrong? So you could read this article, and if you want to leave a comment, this would be a good chance. So where it says leave a reply, we'll put in your name, put in your email, and then you would put in your website. Now, before I leave my comment, though, I'm going to put in my website right now. But before I actually leave my comment, what I'm going to do is actually read the blog post first. So that would be the ideal step, would be to skim through there, make a point or two from the content. Okay, use their security code. And so what I'm going to do is just quickly, why is my golf swing going wrong? Okay, so I'm going to just skim the article. I found a point that was good. Let's see here. Would be to break it down. So let's see, I like that point. Okay. Great article. I liked your point about breaking down the elements of what is causing the issues. It is important any problem that you can pinpoint the issue or it can't be resolved. So all I did there was just create, basically mention something in the article so it looks like I read it, which I did, and I left a relevant comment. Now you could probably leave a lot better comment than what I just left. But what's going to happen is that blog post is going to go in for review, and if he approves it, then what's going to happen here is down here I'm going to have my name, email, or not my name and my website along with my comment displaying on this blog, which is very targeted for my niche market. And this page has already been indexed by Google. And what's going to happen here is that this page now can actually get me some exposure. and it's going to actually enable me to get some additional exposure out there. So what I'm going to do now is go right on over again back to Google Blog Search, and we're going to go do blog search again, and we're going to find one more blog, another blog or two. So let's do golf training, and let's just scroll down. Let's see. And you could also, if you are having a hard time finding good blogs, just do the generic phrase golf, and you could find a variety of blogs that you could comment on. And here's an option too on the right left hand side. You can choose post in the past 10 minutes or post in the past while. And sometimes if you do post in the past 10 minutes, it's pretty good because you're going to be fresh and be one of the first people to comment. So let's see here. Golf Swing Aid blog. They had a recent post, it looks like. So we're going to come on in here. We could quickly read this article if we wanted to. So I'm just going to skim that article where it says add a comment. I would put in my name after I've skimmed the article. So let's put in your name. Put in your website. And make sure you have the HTTP in there. So put in your website for your free page and then say, I enjoyed this review. Enjoyed this review of the book. Let's see. Thanks for the tip that this may not be for everyone if they are new to the game of golf. Okay, and so what I did is I pulled out a part of it so it looked like I'm actually adding value here. Right here to it. You could also ask a question if you really had a question about the product, but I'm just doing whatever it takes. I'm doing a nice simple blog post. It helps him because Google likes it when people are commenting on blogs, and it's also going to help me because I'm going to end up getting a backlink. So it's a win-win situation here that you're going to find with doing blog commenting, but you want to leave relevant and quality remarks so that it does end up getting accepted and submitted okay. So as you can see here, if you scroll on down, you'll find my blog here, my blog post, and it's awaiting moderation. And if you were to click on that, once it's live, my name, John Smith here, is going to link right on over to my website. Now I'm not worried here about stuffing keywords for my name because it's not natural for me to be named How to Break 80. But I will put in my real name there and then link on over to my particular website. So that's where, that's how this process works. So let's go to Google again and do blog search one more time. And we're going to go here and let's type in golf swing just to find more blogs about my topic. And let's see here. Over the top, golf.blogspot.com. And they have a decent little page rank. So what I can do, and they have a recent post, is find this recent blog post here. So I'm just going to scroll on down here and see if they allow me to even leave comments. So there you go. Looks like I can post a comment. And so what I'm going to do here is read his article come up with the point here. So again, you want to skim the article. That's the only way this process is going to work, is skim the article and find it in Google Blog Search and then go from there. Um, let's see. All right, so let's go here to post a comment. And let's see. Really enjoyed this article. Funny how hole 18 can really change people. So show them that you really read the article, add an informative comment, even ask a question maybe that's related to their blog or their niche, and go from there. So how you want to choose your identity, you can go with your Google account, but I like to choose the name and URL option, because that way you can put your link in, and that's for like these Blogspot blogs here, which we're going to show you in a bit how to actually set one of these up. And then we're going to choose submit comment. And the comment has to be approved, so that's completely fine. And again, the next thing you would do is just go right on over here to Google, and you're just going to do a search for blog search one last time. And you can do this as many times as you want during the day. You could spend 15-20 minutes a day and say, okay, I'm going to skim through 5 or 6 blogs, and I'm going to get 5 links a day. And if you think of it, if you do this, consistently 5 days a week, so let's say an average, 20, 25 days during the week that you could be doing this, even if you just did it 5 days a week for 4 weeks, that's 20 days. 20 days times 5, that's 100 blog comments that you've posted, and potentially 100 exposures on targeted blogs for your niche market. So it's a very easy to do task. You can do it again while you're watching your favorite comedy on TV, hanging out with the kids, whatever. It's a simple task, but consistent action is going to lead to those consistent results. And these links and this exposure is really going to help you. So, you can just go broad. You can go golf topics. You can find new blog posts in the past year, whatever it is that you want to do. You can find a variety of different ones. Like here's one, the Golf Girls Diary. It's another golf blog that I could actually read, and then I could go there, leave a comment. Like that's a beautiful place. Let's see. So there you go. So that's how this works. You can see here, I can actually, put right there. I can choose comment as name URL. So I'll do John, and then do the link that I have. And I'm going to leave my comment here. Let's see. That Golf Palace picture is awesome. Alright, so I just kind of made a comment on the picture, and then I just clicked on publish, and it's going to ask me to verify that I am a human. Then I'm going to click on publish, and if you scroll down here, you'll see my comment has actually already been approved, it looks like. And if you were to click on my name here, it would take people directly over to my website. So I just helped them by adding more content that's fresh and unique to their website. And then I also, in return, received a backlink to my website. So I hope you see how powerful, doing blog commenting is. Google Blog Search is going to be your friend. Go out there, find blogs in your niche, do this every day, and you're going to see consistent results from it.